Meaning of gaffer tape.
Gaffer tape.
Gaffer tape.
Gaffer tape.
Gaffer tape. Gaffer tape, also known as gaff tape, is a strong, waterproof adhesive tape that is commonly used in the entertainment industry to secure cables, wires, and lighting equipment. It is made from a woven fabric backing coated with a thin layer of rubber-based adhesive, which allows it to be easily torn by hand. Gaffer tape is highly durable and resistant to abrasion, making it ideal for use in harsh environments. Its matte finish also makes it less reflective and therefore less noticeable on stage or on camera. Overall, gaffer tape is a versatile and essential tool for professionals in the entertainment industry.